Here today, YouTube, we have here is part 2 of this is a Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. This is part 2. In which this is an exclusive service that we provide. Okay, can you disable the pin? Okay, S6 Edge. As you can see, nothing changed whatsoever. About device. Let's make it a little clear. Which that is the model in which nothing did not change. So we're back over here in our system, in which we are putting the finishing touches or in clearing out the Imei. In which a couple seconds you're going to see that this Imei is completely cleared. Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. Congratulations, you can activate your device. Tune in, subscribe, and thank you for watching.